Hi Vishal, good afternoon.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
How are you, Vishal?
I am fine, sir. And what about you?
I'm good, thank you. Before proceeding to technical round, can you please introduce yourself, Vishal?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Vishal Power. I have completed my graduation in Pune University in year of 2019. And after graduation, I learned different types of skill sets like JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. These skill sets are now learning and cricket and swimming. These are my hobbies, and day-to-day life I implement new things.
Okay, thank you, Vishal, for introducing yourself. So tell me, how many years of experience do you have in
uh,
web development?
Sir, 2 years experience in web deployment.
Okay, and what are your skill sets in this field?
HTML, JavaScript,
Hmm.
and CSS, and TypeScript, Bootstrap also.
Okay, and how many years of experience in HTML?
uh, Almost 2 years.
And what about JavaScript and CSS?
1 year.
Okay, 1 year. Mm. And if I say rate yourself in HTML out of 5, how much you will rate?
uh, 5 out of 4, sir.
Okay, what about JavaScript and CSS?
Both are 4.
All are 4. Okay. And what about Bootstrap? How many years of experience in Bootstrap do you have?
Bootstrap also, sir, 1 year experience.
Okay. Apart from this, any other technologies?
uh, Angular, sir.
How much? Have you worked on Angular?
Yes, sir, 6 months.
Okay. From 6 months, you are working on Angular.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Vishal, we'll proceed with the interview. First, we'll ask HTML questions. Okay. Tell me, suppose if you are building any HTML page, then how you build that means what will be the structure of that? Structure means what are main tags you use, or what will be the skeleton of that page?
uh, Sir, doc type HTML. This is the syntax of HTML5.
No, no, I don't want in detail. I just want skeleton. Skeleton means, for example, header.
Yes, sir, yes. Header, body, footer. This is the skeleton, sir.
Only this inside a body, any other tags, main tags, or inside a header, any main tags.
In header, sir, link are provided, link style are provided. In body, in footer, sir, script tag are provided.
What about body?
Uh,
Empty.
what, sir?
What about body? Which tag we will provide there? Major tag.
H1, sir.
H1 tag. Okay. My another question will be, Vishal. Let's say if you want to use tabular format in your web page, what are different tags you will use to create that? Do you get my question?
Yes, sir.
What are different tags we will use to create table?
TDTH.
TDTH.
Table, na, sir?
Yes.
TDTH.
Hmm? Only two? Have you worked on this? Means, have you used table tag in your HTML page while working on project?
Yes, sir, yes. table tag also use.
Then what are different tags apart from TD and TH? No? Okay. Suppose, let's say, if you want to build any registration form, then what are different tags or elements you will use to build that?
Uh, Input tag are used,
Hmm?
mail, name, number. This information is filled in form, sir.
One, see, registration form is there. How registration form will look like? Let's say,
Mail ID, password.
first name, last name, email, phone number. That's it. With submit button. So how you will build? What are different tags or elements you will use to build this? Which is main tag we will use to build any form? For example, registration form, login form. Have you created any form in HTML?
Yes, sir.
Which form you have created?
A login form, sir.
Okay, tell me login form. How you will build? You just need to tell me the tags, main tag.
Sir, 1 minute. Battery.
Okay. So tell me for login form, which are major tags we will use. No? What is marquee tag in HTML? Do you know image map?
Yes, sir.
What is that? What happened, Vishal? You are not able to answer even of like single question. What happened? Okay, tell me what do you know about HTML?
HTML, sir, useful for build a web page. HTML5 is a new version of HTML.
Mhm.
In HTML5 features, sir, audio, video, both are supported, and sir, all browsers are friendly HTML5, and couple of storage available in HTML5. SQL database and web storages are available in HTML5. And sir,
What are different tags you have used while building any HTML page?
H1P,
Hmm?
HR, BR, then
Okay, we'll move to the CSS questions.
Okay, sir.
Tell me uh, how CSS box model will look like.
Uh, CSS model,
Yes, CSS box model.
box model, CSS. In CSS box model is used for design and layout,
Hmm.
uh, content, padding, margin, border. These are included in box model, sir.
Tell me the structure wise, which is inside, then which is outside, like that.
Yes, sir. Content, uh, in content, content is the main part, and in content, border, padding is the padding is the content, and border space is padding.
Hmm. What will be the inside? Content is inside or padding is inside?
Content,
And outside of content
padding,
and outside of that,
margin.
what about border?
Yes, sir. Border, then margin.
Border is between margin and padding,
Yes, sir.
or it is outside.
No, sir. In between padding and margin.
Okay. Suppose if you want to do any calculations in CSS, how you will do? Any mathematical calculation?
Uh, CSS provides, sir, in CSS 3, Calci property will be provided.
Calci, calci is a function,
No, sir. Property.
that is property. How you will use? For example, can you tell me the syntax?
Uh, Calci in bracket,
Mhm.
uh, percentage, then comma,
Hmm.
then minus value or plus value, any value.
What are different positions available in CSS?
Uh, Sticky, relative, absolute. These positions available in CSS.
Are you missing something?
Uh, I think stick
Relative, absolute,
and
fixed.
sticky, sir, and fix.
What what is difference between relative and absolute?
Uh, Relative positions is relate itself, and absolute positions is relate with nearest variant, sir, in web page.
Okay. Do you know Z index in CSS?
Yes, sir.
Why we use that?
Uh, Z index property used to below the content showing up of the text. It is used for Z index.
Below, what you're saying? Below the text?
Any content uh, is
How it works? Z index?
assign any value Z
Hmm.
index.
Suppose let's say top of any element, there are a couple of elements, and we have assigned Z index like one to first element, then two to second element, which will be at top.
Z index 2 will be top, sir.
Okay. What is the difference between CSS and CSS3?
In CSS 3, sir, new features are available,
Hmm.
like
For example,
RGBA,
Mhm.
uh, responsive web designing,
Mhm.
2D, 3D animation.
What is
In
responsive web design?
uh, responsive web design is in various devices use websites like mobile, laptop, iPad, computer. These assets use assets use websites.
Okay. Suppose let's say there is one web page which is working on laptop device, which is having, for example, 1000 pixel width. But that same web page is not working on mobile phone, whose width is, for example, 400. Then how you will resolve this issue?
Then sir, 400 400 between 400 0 to 400 is assigned to mobiles, mobile device at the rate 400.
How you will write that? Can
uh,
you show me? I will. Yeah, you can share your screen and show me how you will write that code.
Share screen.
Yes, you can share your screen and show me how you can write that. Yeah. Open Notepad because it will take some time, right?
Okay. Sir, some issue to sharing screen.
Open Notepad.
Yes sir, I will try but not open notepad.
Open any editor. Visual Studio. You are getting error for Visual Studio, right?
Yes sir, but I will try to open notepad.
Just go to desktop and right click.
Yes sir, yes yes.
Yes. Write down the code. No,
No, sir.
not able to recall. Okay. So we'll move to the JavaScript questions.
Okay, sir.
Tell me the difference between constant and late.
Constant and late. Sir, in late, hosting are not available. Redeclaration also not available, and reassign is available in late, sir.
Reassign is available.
Yes, in constant, hosting, reassign, and redeclare not available.
Okay. Okay. Good. Uh, Tell me the difference between slice and splice.
Splice.
Slice and splice.
Uh, Slice is used to separate the string
Mhm.
word by word, and splice, sir, no idea.
No idea. Uh, what is use of triple equal to operator?
It is used to know data type. And sir, data type and
Data type and what? It is used to know or compare.
compare, sir, compare.
Okay. Do you know what is arrow functions?
Yes, sir. This is ES6 features.
Hmm?
It is used to uh, types functions and low syntax, sir. Shorter function type is arrow function.
Any other advantage than shorter? Okay, no worries. Tell me what is first class function? Okay, what is pure function?
In pure functions, sir, all syntax are available.
All syntax means?
Sir,
Okay. Tell me what is hoisting?
hoisting. Hosting is shifted variables to upside the page.
Shifted to
Upside the page.
upside,
Yes. Top of the page.
top of the page or top of the scope.
Top of the scope, sir.
And what are different scope available in JavaScript?
Local scope and global scope.
Okay. Tell me the difference between local storage and session storage.
Uh, in local storage, sir, in local storage data has no expiry. When I self erase, then erase all data. In session storage, this data is only for the session. New open the new tab, session will be erased, data will be erased.
Okay. Do you know what is JSON?
Yes sir. uh, JSON convert the type of string
Hmm?
to JSON.
What is long form of JSON? No. JavaScript. JavaScript object. Only one is remaining now. No. Okay, you can find out later on.
Yes sir.
Do you know syntax for JSON? How to write it? Have you used that?
Yes sir, used, but syntax is not recall.
Not able to. Okay. How many ways we can write any array in JavaScript?
uh, 3 sir.
3 ways. Can you share the screen and tell me how we can write it by 3 ways? Okay. In this all three format, we are using a square bracket, right? Then what is difference between all these?
Yes sir.
Are you sure square bracket is there?
Yes sir.
Then what is difference between first two? If we are using square bracket, just adding array as a string.
No sir, here I think round bracket.
Are you sure round bracket? What about first round bracket or square bracket?
uh, First is also array. Multiple strings in array we will provide,
Mhm.
and number also. Second, in second sir,
And tell me, can we use late here or do we need to use constant?
uh, let or constant both are usable, but constant is used in mathematical conditions mostly.
Mhm. So we can use late let also here, right?
Yes, sir. Let also and where also use in there.
Okay. So Vishal, I will send you one code. You just need to tell me answer for that. Wait, I will put it in chat. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, copy paste that and put it in this file. Okay, so see, that is one array with name of ARR. Okay, I need to insert one element. How we can insert that?
Uh, Using a array method push.
Write down syntax for that. You have to write there itself. Yeah. Okay, let's say D. Okay, fine. And suppose uh, in same array, I need to find out any element. For example, B.
B.
How? Yes. How we can find out? Means which function we use? No.
No, sir.
Then while working on any project, if you want to find out any element in array, then how you will do that? Do you write code for that? Okay, Vishal, no worries. We'll move to the next question. Tell me what is output for this code.
X is equal to minus 3 minus.
Copy paste this.
Okay, sir. I think, sir,
Hmm?
226.
26.
Yes, sir.
How 26? Tell me. Can you explain me?
First two is a string that is same as it is
Yes,
minus
write it
3.
down step by step. First is 2. Okay.
Oh,
Then
and then sir -3
Hmm?
minus has a false value,
Hmm?
then 3 minus 3 and minus is 2, I
Minus
think.
3.
-3 and next is minus, this will be 2.
How to? Write it down there. 2 minus.
-3
Hmm? Hmm? Then?
minus means -1
Hmm?
is equal to 2. Then sir
How to?
true.
How it will be 2?
Then sir
2 minus 3. What will be the answer of 2 minus 3? What is 2 minus 3? Is it 1?
my yes sir, -1.
Minus 1. Then minus 1, again minus 1.
Yes sir, uh +1.
Positive 1.
Minus true.
It is not multiplication. It is addition and subtraction. Okay, explain me. Okay, 2. Then
2,
hmm,
then -3 and minus true, true as a 1
that
minus.
will be, see, that 2 minus 3 minus 1 will be minus 2. Okay,
Yes sir,
write it down there, minus 2. Okay, now explain me remaining things.
-2, then 4 plus 2 sir 6, 2 in string, 4 as a number,
Hmm?
4 and 2 6 sir,
Which one is 6?
last 2 digit 4 and 2.
Is it possible to do 4 plus 2?
No sir, last is string.
Okay, no worries, Vishal. We'll move to next question. Last question from my side, Vishal.
Okay sir.
That will be again similar kind of. You have to share your screen again, or you can directly tell me without sharing screen. Tell me the answer of this.
From is resolved, then console.log. Sir, end will be printed, sir.
Only and
Yes, sir. And then resolve.
Hmm. And then resolve.
Result. Yes.
First end, then resolve.
Yes,
How?
sir.
How first end? How after resolve?
Because sir,
Hmm.
promise then resolve. Uh,
Can you do one thing? Can you share your screen and tell me? Hmm. How first end and then resolve?
promise is used to delay time, sir, but not assign time
Hmm.
in the end of function. Uh, then sir resolve. Uh, in resolve, sir, not any value assigned.
Hmm. Do one thing. Go to that browser, Firefox.
Firefox. Yes, sir.
No, no, another one, Firefox. Hmm. And um, here you can run it in console,
Yes,
and
sir.
see what will be the output. Yeah.
Inspect, na, sir.
Yes. How you will run in console?
Inspect, sir. एक minute.
Run there.
What is not test there, sir?
Not able to do that.
No, sir.
Okay, no worries. We'll stop here, Vishal.
Okay, sir.
So yes, I am done from my side, Vishal. Do you have any question for me?
No, sir. Thank you. Thank you for giving me the opportunity.
Okay. Thank you, Vishal. Have a good
Thank
day.
you.
Bye.
Bye, sir.